Welcome. If you want to customize keyboard theme in your LG K42, at the first you have to go for the settings. Next we have to scroll down and find System, click on the language in the keyboard, tap to manage keyboards and move to the Gboard. Right now we have to select theme. Next tap right here. And as you can see right now we can easily pick up the picture that we want to set as our theme. So I'll go for this picture from Harry Potter movie. We can change the size of the picture. Click next if you set it up. And then we can also set up brightness level. Click done. And also we can turn off keyboarders. As you can see right here, our keyboard theme has changed. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.